Crashing into the scene we have the Vikings, infamous seafaring warriors from the late 8th to early 11th century. But did you know they were more than just raiders? They were explorers, traders, and settlers, reaching as far as North America way before Columbus. Contrary to popular belief, Vikings didn't wear horned helmets, that's a myth. And their hygiene? Surprisingly good. They bathed weekly, which was way more often than most Europeans of their time. And here's the kicker. The word Viking isn't a name but a profession. It means a pirate raid in Old Norse. Now isn't that something? If you're hungry for more amazing facts, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and drop your thoughts in the comments. We've got a sea of knowledge waiting for you.